Dear students, as we have learned the use of article in English grammar. The use of article is very important, but this topic is not complete until we learn where the article is not used. So today we are to learn where the article is not used or the omission of article. There are some places where no article is used. Let's see. Here are some main points. Point number 1. No article is used before a proper noun as Ram, Shyam, Mohan. These are the names of persons and therefore there will be no article before them. For example, if you are writing Mr. Sharma is a good teacher, so Mr. Sharma is the proper noun and no article will be used before Mr. Sharma. The next one is a common singular noun used in broad sense, no article is used. Broad sense means when it becomes universal. For example, man is mortal. Man is a common singular noun, but here it indicates that man is mortal. It means it is a universal truth, and that's why no article will be used before a common noun when it is used in broad sense. Next one, God. When God stands for Almighty and it is written in capital, then no article is used before God. So is the case with nature. We do not use any article before nature when it stands for Mother Nature. The next point is a common plural noun when it stands for the whole class. No article is used before it. For example, children like chocolates. Here children word stands for the whole class of children. All the children are covered in this common plural noun. In the same case, no article is used before the name of a single island. As I told you the other day, we use article the before a group of islands. For example, the West Indies, the Andamans and the Nicobars. But when we talk about Sri Lanka, it is also an island, but no article will be used before it because it is not a group of islands. Next one, abstract nouns do not take articles. For example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun. So, no article is to be used before honesty. For example, happiness is useful for health. So happiness is also an abstract noun and no article is to be used. Next one, languages do not take any article before them. For example, English is a good language. Hindi is the language of the Indians. In the same way, German is a difficult language. Sanskrit is the language of God. Next one. No article is used before relations. For example, father, mother, sister, brother, when they are in relation. You should not say the father of mine, or my father, my mother, my sister. No, the sister, the mother, the father. All these are incorrect because they are relations, and therefore no article is used when we talk about relations. Singular names of the countries do not take any article. For example, India, America, China, Russia, England. But when we talk about the united names of countries or nations, then we have to use article the. But when we use a single nation or single country, no article is required there. Next, certain phrases do not take any article. They are used without article. For example, to catch fire, to take breath, to give ear. Such type of several phrases are there, but no article is used before them. Names of substances are used without any article. H, sugar, oil, soil, water, gold, iron. We can't say ring is made of the gold. It is incorrect. We should say ring is made of gold. Hammer is made of iron. Door is made of wood. Understand? So these are the omissions of articles, and we should keep in our mind that no article is to be used before these nouns which are mentioned here. And this will be beneficial when we are to take a competitive examination. There are errors or omissions. When the sentences are given and you are asked to find out the error or omission, if you have in your mind the total use of articles, where the article is to be used and which article is to be used and where the article is not required, then you can do this very properly. So keep in your mind that the use of article is a very important topic in English grammar and in all competitions as well as in academic examinations. It plays a very important role in the topic usages. And now you are to see some exercise here. Cross. Sentence number 1. Radha is blank good girl. Rohit goes school at 9 a.m. daily. Harish is dash honest boy. Kavita is dash smallest girl in the class. Dash God is one. Next. He did not purchase dash book which was suggested by his teacher. He is ill, so he will go to hospital. Dash iron is a heavy metal. Children are playing in the field. Dash children like mangoes. These are the sentences, and you are to fill up articles where necessary, and where there no article is required, you are to draw a cross. Radha is good girl. Which article will be used here at the place which is blank? So as girl is a common singular noun, article A will be used. Next one, Rohit goes to school at 9 a.m. daily. Here, what article should be used before school? As Rohit goes to school to study. What the purpose of the school is? So, when someone goes to a place for the same purpose for which it is there, then no article is to be used, and therefore here you are to make a cross. Rohit goes to school at 9 a.m. because Rohit goes to school to study, and therefore no article is required there. So you are to make a cross. Harish is honest boy. Here the pronunciation is a vowel, and therefore you are to use N. Harish is an honest boy. Next one, Kavita is smallest girl in the class. Here you should keep in your mind that smallest is the superlative degree of adjective, and therefore article the is to be used. Next, God is one. As I told you earlier, when God is used for Almighty, no article is required, and therefore you are to make a cross. Next, he did not purchase book which was suggested by his teacher. Dear students, here the book is particularized. The book which was suggested by his teacher, and therefore article the is to be used. Next one, he is ill, so he will go to hospital. Here there is also the same case as it was there in sentence number 2. Rohit goes to school. As Rohit goes to school to study, so no article is required. In the same way, he is ill means he goes to hospital to take treatment, and therefore no article is to be used here before hospital. Now next one, iron is heavy metal. Iron is a substance And therefore, as I told you just, no article is used before the names of substance, and therefore no article to be used. Make a cross. Next, children are playing in the field. Here, children word does not stand for the whole class of children. Here, these children are particularized. Either they are the children of some house, or they are the children of some colony or society, or they are the children of some school. And that's why article the is to be used. The children are playing in the field. Next one, sentence number 10. Children like mangoes. Here, this children noun stands for the whole class of children, and therefore no article is to be used before children. My dear students, I think you have understood where there is the necessity of article you can use there, and where there is no requirement of an article you will make a cross. And now this chapter, the use of article is over, and make the repetition time to time to keep in your mind the things to take your final examination. And tomorrow we shall start a new chapter. Okay? Thank you.